welcome to my channel Jay the Cat, and today in the electromagnetic waves we will be seeing is that what is the intensity of electromagnetic waves. Okay, so in what is the intensity? So intensity can be defined in the electromagnetic waves as energy crossing per unit area per unit time. Okay, so suppose that there is this cylindrical shape cross section we have cutted in this. Suppose that there is a wave which has some energy across it. Suppose that we have taken this cross section area. Okay, so we can visualize like this. Suppose that there is a wave, electromagnetic wave, which is formed with varying electric field and varying magnetic field, and we have taken this cross sectional area. Okay, so in this cross sectional area the intensity can be defined as energy density. This is half epsilon naught E square. As we saw in the previous lecture that energy density is half epsilon naught E square. So energy density into speed of light into area which we have cutted this as a cylindrical shape. Okay, so and this wave, suppose that it is traveling in x direction. So how this is the visualization part. We have taken one electromagnetic wave and we know that there is the frequency associated with the electromagnetic wave, which is omega. Omega is 2 pi f. So frequency of an electromagnetic wave is omega by 2 pi. So if we have to find the frequency with the help of this omega, we can simply divide it by 2 pi and we will be getting this frequency of this electromagnetic wave. So in this electromagnetic wave there is some very less number of places where this visualization is given. So I have visualized this by my own, that how we will visualize this part. We can visualize like we can take one cross section which has this type of dimension like a cylindrical surface, and the wave and coming inside it, and from the frequency or the energy of this wave we will be visualizing the intensity part and the energy density and all which will be coming in my cross section area. Okay, so in intensity will be energy density, speed of light into cross section area which we have taken as A. So so internal energy U is what? Average internal energy into C delta T, which is the length, into area. So or it is a volume. So average internal energy U into C delta T, which is our length, speed into time is what? C delta T is length into area. Okay, so I becomes U by A delta T. Intensity becomes U by A delta T or U average into C. And in terms of electric field, intensity can be written as E is equal to half epsilon naught E naught square into speed of light C. Okay, so this formula we have to remember. We can remember simply intensity is half epsilon naught E naught square into C. In the questions it is asked, so we can remember it simply that intensity is half epsilon naught E naught square into C. This proof is asked in very less places, and for the understanding part we have to remember this proof also. What is the main thing in this proof? This how we will visualize this intensity and energy density in a particular wave. So we can simply visualize by taking one small part of the wave and analyzing that part of the wave by seeing the energy density associated with it and the intensity associated with it. Okay, for the intensity part of the electromagnetic wave, and the energy density was half epsilon naught E naught square for this electromagnetic wave. So in this law. Now coming to the example of this. So example, what is this? In this we have to calculate the intensity of the wave, in which the area is, this area is 10 centimeter square, length is this 50 centimeter, and the equation of this electric field varying with time is 50, which is 50 is the amplitude into sine omega t minus x by c. So what is written here is the amplitude of the electromagnetic wave. Okay, so and we know that energy density is half epsilon naught E naught square, which is given as 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 8. Okay, so and the intensity formula we know that it is half epsilon naught E naught square into C. Okay, and energy density is given as 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 8. So half epsilon naught E naught square becomes 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 8 into multiplied by C. We will multiply and we will directly get what is this 3.3, the intensity of the wave. Okay, so units and all you can derive from this only. It is not a big issue. So this was the approach how we will calculate the density for the electromagnetic wave, and energy density is half epsilon naught E naught square. How we will find this and how we will visualize this, the energy density, intensity of the electromagnetic wave associated with it. Okay, so this was for the electromagnetic waves intensity and energy density part, and we saw this example also. Okay, thank you.